Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into a mind-blowing story. Tech's biggest players, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, they're about to drop a staggering $300 billion on AI in 2025. That's right, billion with a B. But here's the kicker. Is this the dawn of a new era, a golden age of innovation driven by AI? Or is it a reckless, unsustainable bubble about to burst, leaving a trail of shattered dreams and empty wallets? That's what we're going to unpack today. Stick around, because this could impact your career, your investments, and even your freedom. Are you ready? Okay, let's lay down the groundwork. We're talking about a massive, concentrated investment in artificial intelligence. These tech giants are betting big on AI, pouring money into everything from faster chips to bigger data centers and, of course, the brightest minds in the field. What they are hoping to get out of this is a more competitive cloud service offering. One of the key points is that Amazon, Google, and Microsoft expect their cloud businesses to grow significantly. They are anticipating a massive demand for AI processing tools and clients running larger workloads in the cloud. This is essentially the first domino. We will discuss the rest in short order. All right, let's break down the immediate, first-order effects of this $300 billion spending spree. First and foremost, NVIDIA is about to have a field day. I mean, seriously, their GPUs are the gold standard for AI processing, and the demand is going to be insane. We're talking boatloads of NVIDIA's graphics processing units. This is a direct shot in the arm for NVIDIA and any other companies involved in AI hardware. Next, massive expansion of data centers. We're talking real estate, construction, the whole nine yards. Think sprawling campuses filled with servers humming away, crunching data and training AI models. And of course, this fuels the already fierce competition between the megacaps. They will be competing for market share, for the best talent, and for technological breakthroughs. The AI race is officially on. But here's a potential roadblock: supply chain constraints. Remember those GPU shortages we've been hearing about? Well, this massive spending could exacerbate those problems, especially in the short term. Getting your hands on the cutting-edge components you need to actually build these systems could prove challenging. Amazon CEO specifically mentioned that these constraints are expected to relax in the second half of 2025, so this should be monitored closely. And finally, the war for talent. These companies need the best AI engineers, researchers, and data scientists. Expect to see salaries skyrocket as they fight to attract and retain the top minds in the field. If you have a background in AI, now is the time to start polishing that resume. Okay, so that's the immediate impact. But what about the ripple effect? What happens beyond the tech giants themselves? Well, first, the entire semiconductor industry is going to benefit big time. It's not just NVIDIA. It's everyone involved in chip design, manufacturing, and materials. Then there is the demand for renewable energy, which will increase as these data centers consume vast amounts of power. Companies are going to look for more sustainable sources, which will give a boost to the renewable energy sector. And here's where it gets really interesting. We're talking about the development of AI applications across every industry imaginable: healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing. AI is poised to disrupt everything, creating new products, new services, and new business models. This is the exciting part. But with increased reliance on AI comes increased risk. Cybersecurity is going to be more crucial than ever. We need robust solutions to protect AI systems from attacks and ensure data privacy. This is a huge opportunity for cybersecurity companies. And finally, let's not forget about the growing importance of open-source AI. China's DeepSeek is a prime example. The success of open-source models could potentially change the game, forcing the big players to collaborate and share technologies. Imagine a world where AI development is democratized, accessible to everyone. That's a powerful thought. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. What are the socio-economic impacts of this AI revolution? First, job creation and displacement. AI will create new jobs, absolutely, but it will also automate many existing ones. This will require workforce retraining and adaptation on a massive scale. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the job market. AI has the potential to increase productivity and efficiency across industries, leading to economic growth and improved living standards. But it also raises serious ethical concerns: bias, fairness, privacy, accountability. We need to have these conversations now, before it's too late. The widespread adoption of AI will force us to confront these issues head-on. And let's not forget about the digital divide. Access to AI technologies and skills could exacerbate the gap between those who have and those who don't. We need to ensure that everyone has the opportunity to participate in this new AI-powered world. And of course, the geopolitical implications are huge. The AI race between the US and China is a battle for economic and strategic dominance. The country that leads in AI will have a significant advantage. Finally, an over-reliance on AI could lead to decreased human interaction and potential social isolation. We need to be mindful of the potential downsides and strive for a balanced approach. Okay, let's talk about the potential risks. First, the technical risks. Remember those supply chain constraints? They're not just a minor inconvenience. They could be a serious bottleneck. If these companies cannot get their hands on the GPUs they need, their entire AI strategy could be delayed or derailed. And even if they get the hardware, there's no guarantee that the technology will perform as expected. Integrating AI into existing systems is a complex undertaking, and there's always the risk of technical glitches and unforeseen challenges. The reliance on specific vendors, like NVIDIA, also creates a vulnerability. What happens if NVIDIA has production problems or significantly raises prices? These companies could find themselves in a very difficult position. The rapid pace of technological advancement is also a risk. The technologies they're investing in today could become obsolete tomorrow. This is a fast-moving field, and it's easy to get left behind. Now, let's talk about the business risks. Spending $300 billion is a massive investment, and there's no guarantee of a return. These AI projects might not generate enough revenue to justify the expense. The market could become saturated, leading to unsustainable competition. If the cloud businesses don't perform well, it could put pressure on these companies to justify their AI spending. An economic slowdown could reduce demand for AI services. And the talent war is a real threat. Attracting and retaining the best AI engineers is going to be expensive and difficult. The article mentions a market sell-off caused by AI concerns. This is a valid concern as investors may believe the AI spending is a waste. Microsoft's Azure cloud business had disappointing sales to clients through partners. This highlights a risk that sales channels and partnerships may not be as effective as anticipated. Finally, let's address the ethical risks. AI models can perpetuate and amplify existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. The automation capabilities of AI could lead to job losses and social disruption. AI can be used to create fake news and misinformation, which can be used to manipulate public opinion. AI models can be complex and opaque, making it difficult to hold them accountable for their actions. The use of AI for surveillance raises concerns about privacy and civil liberties. And the energy consumption required to train and run large AI models has a significant environmental impact. These are serious ethical challenges that we need to address responsibly. So, is this $300 billion AI gamble a boom or a bust? The truth is, it's too early to say. There's incredible potential for innovation and economic growth, but there are also significant risks. The megacaps must manage the technical challenges, navigate the competitive landscape, and address the ethical concerns. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. It's going to be a wild ride. What do you think? Is this the beginning of a new era or a reckless gamble? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech analysis. Thanks for watching.